For now, don't get used to it. Who are you again? On Discord? Or are you not from Discord? Oh, yeah, what's up, dude? Yeah, yeah. Now I know who you are. Okay. I think I think First Solar is all right. I'm gonna buy some more. Still only have like half size right now. Okay. Do I really give it to Lowe's? Yeah, these look worse though. I don't want to cut this, but I might have to. Motherfucker. It's not that much of an insider sale. It's like 100,000 shares or something. Rocket Lab Lowe's. Yeah, that's fine. I'll tell you what, though, China's up today. There might be a trade here at some point. Gotta be patient. Yeah, yeah, I know. I already cut cores, you piece of shit. There you go. There's everyone else selling. Jesus Christ. This type of yeah, it's just failing at the level. It's alright though. Needs more time. Alright, time to cut Kava. Fucking piece of shit. Oh man. Oh, that was stupid. Everyone's really bearish. The Nvidia earnings is coming up. There's a lot of unknowns. I mean, based on some fundamental analysis, SPY should be like pulled back to here, well, like the PE of things, but doesn't have to happen. Yeah, Bitcoin's rejected this level, but Ethereum is much worse though. Really? They're pumping this again? Oh, come on, man. It's fine. I'll just leave it alone. I should probably reduce some Rocket Lab. No, I'll reduce some. And like, if it doesn't bounce in like, by like 30 minutes into the session, I'm gonna reduce half this. There's this piece of shit company going then. Ryanair? Never mind, I'm cutting it. Back to 218. Fucking bitch. It is what it is, guys. Gotta take the paper cut, or the haircut. What's my Redfin doing? Yeah, it's no bounce yet. Who is these nuts? Is that Kyle? Please don't tell me it's bouncing. God, fucking piece of shit. Nah, I'm not gonna rebuy it. Oh yeah, I forgot I bought some of this. I need to cut it. It's just a tiny position. Dude, do I really have to rebuy this? Kava? No, I'm not gonna rebuy Kava. I'm gonna try to buy like... Do I like these lenders? Yeah, not that much. This just looks the same as comp. Yeah, this trend is still pretty intact. What about... I've already sold half of Lucid. A little more than half. I mean, what are the thoughts? Just, don't you have rules? You should have some rules for this kind of situation. But, I mean, just don't overthink it, man. What's it doing on the 30-minute and hourly versus what's it doing on the daily? And act accordingly. You shouldn't be selling everything, though. That's fucking retarded. You should be cutting some things that are weak. Ugh, what the fuck is this? Oh, the defense name. What did it trade yesterday? Oh, this is so thin. Just set an alert and bag it. Actually, no, I'll keep it here. Because this is very thin too, right? Yeah. What's Sweet Green doing? Won't be surprised if this goes back down to the 10-day. Thank you, Bitcoin. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, cutting this is correct. Cutting this. Fucking Hindenburg. Caresdale. Caresdale isn't these by the way, these like fucking quote unquote activist short sellers. It's usually just like one or two neckbeards in a room, but they have big followings. Like, kind of feels like we got lower before we bounce. Okay, yeah, I gotta reduce a little bit. This is really thin, but I forgot about this company. Yeah, I'm gonna probably not gonna trade it though. What? Do you already have 100 alerts? I don't want to upgrade. Yeah, some of these I can. Okay, no, that's the right one. The fuck is this? My positions are at the top. Only down to 7 positions now. Yeah, probably. This is pretty normal. Nothing is like... People are panicked. People love to freak out. This is a good thing though. You can see what holds up after today. Does NVIDIA report tomorrow afternoon or tomorrow? Dude, Mark Minervini has a 3-inch penis. Dude, what the fuck? Come on, man. Oh, this is too thin anyway. Sound? What are you talking about? This looks like ass, man. I hate this stuff. Oh yeah, if it gaps up on something, but I don't know. Sound is just acting like a piece of shit. It needs a catalyst, dude. NVIDIA's after close tomorrow. Oh, Chewy open tomorrow. This secretly kind of came back. I don't love it. I wonder if Kitty's still along. Do you think he held through this? This fucking retard, dude. He's gonna go back to being poor. But I respect it. LI reports, really? ANF reports. Oh, this is not our line. What are you talking about? HE? I don't know. I don't think there's a good trade here. What was the news on this? Was just earnings gap down on this? Yeah. I'd rather not trade this. Yeah, tomorrow's Nvidia and Affirm, that's right. Affirm is the one I'm more excited about. See, look at Affirm, it's just chilling. You guys not see this? Look at all the lenders, dude. We got Tree, we got Rocket, look at LC, look at Redfin, Compass. All these stocks are so strong. Where's Zillow? All the lenders and the real estate like tech companies are good. Just explained it yesterday. I don't want to explain it again. It's not all themes. It's just just in a way that makes sense to me. Purple is mostly health and biotech, though. It's not always going to be the same. I just do it to group things on the fly. Was that a Bitcoin alert? But yeah, I explained it in yesterday's stream. But like, I pretty much know what every company does here, and you should too. Well, except for some of them, like this one. No, this is let's get rid of this. This is a bullshit semiconductor name. Oh yeah, Blend is also lender, but this one is so thin. This one trades like shit. Please die, Fubo. I think, can I remove this? No, but I'll yeet it to 3. Really, no. I mean, you could always just go to the calendar. Are there any economic events? Oh, GDP on Thursday. Forecast 2.8? Yeah, Redfin is the only one pulling back more, but it's the strongest here. Alright, I was gonna move this Sidu back here. Is this too thin to trade? Yeah, it is, right? Ugh, I gotta watch it. It doesn't look like it trends very well, does it? I'm not interested in these names, but it's a good base, I guess. I'd rather trade more better trending names. Until this proves that it can trend, I'm not into it, but it's good base. I don't know, it could be. But look at the character, man. It's just up and down, up and down. I mean, try it. The software name, though, it's an e-commerce name. I don't really see much confluence in tech. I'd rather not be in like NASDAQ stocks, software stocks, but maybe I'm wrong. You know what? It's back at highs. But there's like names, like it just reminds me of like this fucking name. Like it's strong, but I hate this name. Why would you trade this? Right? That's what it reminds me of. And there's no like clear theme. Why would I trade that when I can maybe buy some of these lenders that I'm not in? Some of these are choppy too, but like there's a reason these are going up. Cybersecurity? What are you talking about? What is this? Serb? That's not a thing. Well, this is just because like Pan W and shit. Yeah, I'm not really interested in this though. Too slow. FTNT. Yeah, they're strong. You're right, they're strong. But I don't want to trade Palo Alto Network and Fortinet. I'd rather trade like LMT is strong. I don't want to trade this either. I don't want to trade. I'd rather trade something with more range. What about the? Sorry, Zscaler. Net. Yeah, I'd rather trade Net over like Fortinet and Palo Alto Networks. But you can buy this over 88. Just wait for some news. Okay, we'll see. I don't think it's too late at all. But look at these weeklies. Look at these weeklies. They're coming out of a big base. This one's still not really out of its base yet. I don't really like the way these really trend, but like how much did you make off of this if you bought it here? Would have bought it like here after earnings. But Redfin's got room to go, dude. Yeah, a lot of things look fine. Unaliving people is still a very strong theme, clearly, but I don't know how to get into Palantir though. I'm not gonna watch this anymore. It's just annoying to trade. This is basically like liquidity events only, right? On non-liquid days, it's just untradeable. What was the news? Yeah, I don't know. This is not news I want to be waiting. Oh, my scan is really basic, dude. Literally, I just have this 5 million. I have it at 5 just for everything because like if I scan for like daily gainers, so this is going to be previous day volume. So something's really illiquid and it's not gonna pick it up on the pre-market gainers, but it will pick it up in like as soon as market opens. So then I can get like if something trades $5 million volume in the first 20, 30 minutes, then it'll pick it up. So this way I can just switch from this directly to like this change, like the gainers, and it'll show stuff like Vox. That's literally all it is volume. I don't filter by ADR, nothing. I just look through everything. Scanning capabilities in TradingView are kind of shit, though. Like, you're much better off. You want to use like more advanced scans. Like Thinkorswim's got a lot better options. You can scan for tightness, things like that. But it's not really what I want to do. I want to see everything. Dude, I might have to cut this soon. I'll give it one more. It's already below my entry. Yeah, TradingView scanner isn't that good. Let's just put it for what it is. But it's fine. It does the job. Oh, nice. Down 10%. Almost. Okay, this caught a bid. I reduced a little bit though, but whatever. Let's clean out some more alerts. Yeah, I don't need this. I'll keep this. I'll keep. A-Lab is. Damn, dude. How the mighty have fallen. Oh yeah, someone asked me about this chart. That's why I put this up. This is pretty thin, but this is not bad. It's kind of choppy. But this is that what do you call it? A neobank. It's one of those like banks that uses the regulatory loophole to I forget how they make money again, but yeah, they make money through a loophole. Yeah, let's remove these ones. Do I think this is the chance of going? I'll leave the alerts. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really see an edge in Lumen today. Well, maybe. It's like 30 viewers, dude. It's not that many. Who's these nuts? Who are you? Oh, yeah, this is a cut. 5-minute ads, dude. Dude, I'll tell you what kind of. I'll run an ad for you. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna add back what I cut. Dude, look at this shit. It's not doing much now, but I'm telling you, on earnings, no one is selling this. No, everyone's forgotten about this already. Look at these zero interest rate stocks, man. They're just no one is selling them. Dude, did I just cut this at lows? Ugh, bitch. But MSTR is stronger. I'm gonna keep this. Dude, I hope yeah, I hope this does something. Are there any other buy now, pay later companies that are public? Like Klarna? That's not public, right? Yeah. PayPal has it, I guess, but it's oh shit, payments. That was actually strong. It's slow though. Nah, it's just gonna be a firm. That's not gonna be the play. Yeah, well, Hood isn't just crypto, right? Hood is also just fintech company. Did Hood purchase? Hood bought a crypto exchange, right, recently? Or am I tripping? QD? This is really thin, but is this a lending company? So no, this is yeah, it's like this China fintech, but not really. Yeah, SoFi is lending though. But SoFi, yeah, that's good. That's a good base. This has I do I have an alert here? No, I don't. It needs over this like 820s, or at least over like 8, at least over 8. But it needs some catalyst. Like this gave a good trade on the yes, on the debt ceiling. They basically, I think what happened was they threw something into the debt ceiling that would what closing in on a deal blah, assume at the end of August. Supreme Court ruled that doesn't have the right to forgive student debt. Biden's forgiven so little student debt anyway. It's just like such a fraction of it. Just trying to buy votes. If he actually was going to do it, it would be a bigger deal. And it would be good, but he's not going to do it. What is this company again? Oh yeah, QFin. That's right. QFin. Yeah. QFin is lending, correct. I don't think. Well, China's real estate market is not really the same versus. I don't know what's going on now. I don't know. Is there some? Hold on. I'll just do it quick. Let me. All right. Newsweek says China's property rescue plan isn't working, so it's probably working. BHP CEO expects a turnaround in China's property sector. Actually, let's mark this. But they don't have the same incentive to protect real estate as the US might, because they're not subject to elections, so they don't have to worry about. This is the problem with elections. You have to like, no one wants to be responsible for a crash or a downturn, so you just kick the can down the road instead of letting the market deleverage. Oh, good for her. Good for her. This is one of the lucky few. Sorry, what does this company do again? This is it's software, but it's related to satellite. This is called Unify, dude. It has your name in it. Is this like Lumen or something? Is this it's switches, Wi-Fi. Oh, it's like Cisco. I don't want it up here. They bought the dip in Nova. Could have bought this. Bought the flush. Oh god, this is oh no. Kava 2. Okay, deep breath. Just relax. Don't be pissed. Did Redfin bounce? Redfin's fine. But yeah, if you bought it yesterday, kind of sucks. At first Solar would do this though. I'm just gonna wait. I'm not gonna rebuy. It's okay. I'll let myself get shaken out. It's not that good. Yeah, I'm just gonna save my buying power. Oh shit. This is thin, but it's going, dude. What is this again? Hospitality services. This is pretty slow, but let's see what happens. After that, it's a bunch of fucking bear ETFs. Yeah, nothing really going. Nice. Should I buy more ASTS? I'll find a better home for TK. Belongs in maybe Geo. This is the prison REIT. Those Kava highs. I'll take the L. And this kind of trends really like shit though. Let's see what him's doing. Ugh, that's kind of gross. Oh, interesting. Let's promote these. Okay, I'm not gonna do anything the rest of the day. I'm gonna go touch some grass maybe. I want to rebuy this, but I don't think I can. I should have bought this. I'm gonna go outside. Yeah, later guys. Wait, do I think it depends on sometimes it is. I just don't think I'm gonna do anything today. On a busy day, yeah. Like after media earnings, I'm gonna probably be there for a while, but today if I stick around, I'm just gonna get baited into rebuying some of the shit I got stopped out of. And I don't need that. I should just take the stop out. Momentous? I don't want to trade this, man.